out, guys, to our friends of LIGE have sent us this smartwatch with Bluetooth callability, sport tracking. It does have a very large screen. Let's unbox it. Let me show you how it looks. All right, guys, so let's open this smartwatch into the box. We're going to be finding our instruction manual. We will also be included with two watch bands, one stainless steel and the other one a sports band. We'll be including this latches for the bands, okay, so that way we can easily replace the bands. And also this is the charging cable. It is magnetic, so you're going to be connecting this to your USB power outlet and then this to the watch. We will also be included with this tool, which is going to allow us to actually remove any excess of these pieces right here, so that way we can actually fit the band to our wrist. And then to put them back again, you're going to be putting it the same side that this one's came out. All right, so now if we actually fit it in, then it fits perfect my wrist. Okay, so that's for the adjustment. That was very simple and quick. And then now we can definitely pair our phone, and as soon as it knows that it's charging, then it's gonna come on. Okay, so look at this screen, guys. This is very nice. Okay, it's a very nice colorful OLED screen. It is a 1.73-inch screen. In order to actually pair it to your device, you will get the QR code from the instruction manual. We'll download the application. It's called DA Fit. Add the device right here, confirm on the watch, and then you can just pair it. Next, you will enter your gender, birth date, height, weight, step length, all that good information, and it's going to bring you to this main screen. So you can definitely just choose the face watch that you want and it will instantly change. Okay, this is the one that we had previously. This is the one that we're selecting now. You can also select other settings like the auto log. You can control the music with this. It will have health settings to actually monitor your stress, reminders to move, heart rate warning, cycle days, menstrual days. It will just give you a lot of options. Okay, we can also use the phone function onto our watch. Okay, this is going to start calling using our phone via the Bluetooth. You're going to be able to actually talk using the watch. Going to be able to look onto recent calls. This watch will also record different exercises like walking, running, cycling, skipping, baseball, football. It's gonna have a lot of types of exercises that you can track. If you happen to wet your watch or put your watch in water, you can actually use a water mode, and it will actually drain all the water by making these noises right here. This smartwatch will actually make your daily life much easier, since you're going to be able to do lots of operations that you used to do on your phone, but now you're going to be able to do it on your wrist. As you can see, this watch is very versatile. You can use it on sports mode, and you can use it also on casual mode. For any occasion, you can just change the watch face and the watch will transform itself. It does have a 900 milliampere battery inside. It will actually last you up to 30 days on a full charge. It will only take about 3 hours to fully charge. This watch actually uses Bluetooth 5.3, which is going to be compatible with most modern Bluetooth devices. It is definitely a combination of technology and futuristic design. I hope that the information about the smartwatch was helpful. Definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.